students to begin this session with differentials. Differentials means what? It is a derivative. Derivative means what? Reduction. Reduction means what? Any function or anything given to you, it should be reduced to the next stage, that is all. That is, in common life also we could see a differential in different scenario, but now we want to take this problem with the differentials. Differential, you should know certain basics. Certain basics means at least minimum number of formulas you must learn. What are the minimum number of formulas? UV and then algebraic function, all the over 6 to 7 functions, formulae you should be thorough. At once you know the formulae thoroughly, then you can do any number of problems. So, what are the different kinds of functions? Constant functions, algebraic functions, exponential function, logarithmic function, trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric function, like that functions keep going. All these functions formula you should be registered in your mind. Why this acquaintance with your mind? Because then only you can recall as and when you need. Now, this problem we are going to differentiate with respect to x. Simply it is given differentiate, or the functions are involved with this. So, that means it is with respect to x. So, that means y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole power 5 x cube minus x plus 1 whole power 4. Here it involves two algebraic functions. Two algebraic functions. How to differentiate algebraic function? Simple formula, very simple formula. D of x power n is nothing but n x power n minus 1. Just to recall this formula. And second one, d of u and v here. So, u v dash plus v u dash, remember that, u v dash plus v u dash, otherwise dv by dx plus v into du by dx, u dv by dx, the v dash means dv by dx. Like that we have to differentiate u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Like this we have to differentiate. Now, let us take this one as u, this is v. Function is algebraic, remember that. Algebraic means we have to use the first formula x n x power n minus 1. So, okay, whether the given function is involved with only algebraic? Yes, but is it only one function or it involves with function of something function? Yes, it is involving with function, but the function dealing with again the same algebraic function. So, how many functions exist here? Remember that here it involves, there are here, now how many functions are there? It involves 2, and here also it involves 2. So, 2 boxes to be opened, remember that. Whenever you are differentiating each one, you have to differentiate twice. This function of functions like. So, when you want to take u as 2x plus 1 whole power 5, if you want to differentiate this with respect to x, so just take like this way, n x power n minus 1, is it over? No, not yet, because as I given 2 different boxes, that means first function involved with algebraic, again another function also involved with algebraic. You have to open the first box. So, 5 whole power 4. In the first box I opened, I differentiated. The second box also I have to open. What is that box? It is this 2x plus 1. That is differentiation of 2x plus 1. Remember that. So, here 2x plus 1 whole power 4, like this. Now, this differentiation is what? I will get 2 into 1 plus 0. So, 5 into 2x plus 1 whole power 4. That means 10 2x plus 1 whole power 4. Like this I am getting the first one derivative u. So next you take v here, that is x power cube minus x plus 1 whole power 4. Here also I have given it is involved with two functions first. So involving with two function means we have to differentiate with algebraic function. So 4 whole power 3 n x power n minus 1. Is it over or not? Not yet, because function associated with another algebraic function twice you have to differentiate into. So you put into d by dx of x cube minus x plus 1. So x cube minus x plus 1. So 4 into x cube minus x plus 1 whole power 3. So this x cube differentiation is what? Yes, you make use of this algebraic formula. So you write 3x reduction. So that means x is 1 and then 0. So 4 into 3x square minus 1 into x cube minus x plus 1 whole cube. So now I have found out u du by dx, v dv by dx. Two different set apart I have done. Now I have to take the problem now with the help of the second formula. So what else formula it is? What is the problem? 2x plus 1 whole power 5 x cube minus x plus 1 whole power 4. Differentiate y with respect to x. As I told you, keep this and differentiate that. So keep this, that is 2x plus 1 whole power 5. Differentiation of x cube minus x plus 1 whole power 4. Plus, and keep this, hold this, x cube minus x plus 1 whole power 4 and differentiation of 2x plus 1 whole power 5. Remember that. Now you can, this already I have done this process here, just you can substitute, and this part also I have done here, you can just substitute. That's all. With this problem is over, sum is also over, we got the entire solution here. So 2x plus 1 whole power 5. Is it clear? Yes. For this we have differentiated and just you substitute 4 into 3x square minus 1 and then x cube minus x plus 1 whole cubed plus this term x cubed minus x plus 1 whole power 4, and this differentiation is what else for you? 10 2x plus 1 10 2x plus 1 whole power 4. Now I think you are you know what I have done. This formula I just substituted u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Already I have done for du by dx and dv by dx, just mere substitution over here, then we can manipulate. So only the simplification part of it. What we can do for simplification, just mere what and all it is common term, that take it out, and remaining you do some kind of simple modification. Here 2x plus 1 whole power 5, here also 2x plus 1 whole power 4, whichever the least that you take it as common, and here x square minus x plus 1 whole power 4, here x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3, whichever the power term the lower one, that you take it out. That means first part, let me take 2x plus 1 whole power 4. Remember that. Among these two, this is lower power, the least power that I have taken, and in these two x cubed minus x plus 1 whole cubed. That means remaining part I am going to write. Remaining part, let us start writing. And even the 4 and 10 also, the number what number we can do? We take 2. 4 and 10, 2 is common. Let me take 2 also. So that the remaining terms we have to write. So now I have taken out of 4, 2 means here 2 exists. 2x power plus 1 whole power 5, but I have taken 4. That means one term I should write 2x plus 1. Now x cube minus x plus 1 whole power 3, I have already taken out. That means no term exists. Only thing is 2x plus 1 and 3x square minus 1. That is a term. Here this is the new term here, 3x square minus 1. X cube minus x plus 1 whole cube we have taken out. 2x plus 1 whole power 4 also I took out. So that means only this is the term out, that is inside, plus. Here x cube minus x plus 1 whole power 4, but 3 we have taken. So that means this part x cube minus x plus 1 whole power 1. Because already 3 is there, 3 plus 1 4. So I have just taken only this number. And out of 10, 2 already we have taken out. That means 5 we have to insert. And 2x plus 1 whole power 4, here also 2x plus 1 whole power 4. That means no term exists here. So with this part, only we have to simplify this. After doing this simplification, so what we are supposed to get, we will be getting it. So 2 bracket 2x plus 1 whole power 4, x cube minus x plus 1, only this part I supposed to simplify. So let me take 2 bracket 2x plus 1 whole power 4, x cube minus x plus 1 whole cube. Then we do the simplification. 2 into, see, remember 2 into this and then 2 into that. So totally here 4 terms, here it is only 3 terms. So 4 plus 3, I should write 7 terms. After simplification you are going to get some term it is. Let us see. Here x square and x, what is the highest power? X cube. Obviously you are going to get. Here also x cube. So the x cube term is going to get, that we know. That means x cube, x square, x constant. Maybe 4 terms we are going to get at the most. So let us take this. So now 2x into this, nothing but 6x square. 2x into this minus 2x and plus 3x square. Then minus 1 bracket. Here write down 5 x square x cube. Here this part, now what is that? I take 5 x cubed minus 5x plus 5 and then over bracket here. Here what is it? The terms totally here 2 terms, 4, and here also it is 3. Totally it is totally we are going to get here 4, here 3, 7 terms or you are going to get. Here x and x square x cube term going to get. The maximum is x cube. So here the 5x cube is term. So here it is now 2x into 3x, 6x cube. 2x into minus 1 minus 2x, remember that it is minus 2x, plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x square, plus 1 into this minus 1 and 5x cube minus 5x plus 5. Okay, now let us simplify this part. This is the very important one, you have to do simplification. This is, let it be as it is, 2 bracket 2x plus 1 whole power 4 x cube minus x plus 1 whole cube. Now x cube, x square, x and constant term. So after doing simplification we have to write 4 terms now. After doing simplification we have to write 4 terms. Now let us take the common term. What is the common term? That is x cube and x cube. The like terms it is. Like terms. Let us take like terms. Now 2 into 6, 12 and this one 17x cube. Remember that 17x cube. And 2 and 3 here, remember that 2 and 3 6x square Is there any x square term involved? Nothing. So let it be. We can write down 6x square. First part, 2 into 6 is 12 and 12 plus 5 is 17x cube. X cube, x square. Next part, x. So next this x and this x. Let me take. So 2 into minus 2, minus 4. So then here it is minus 5. So 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 and then minus 5 minus 9x. So I got 3 terms. Then one more term I supposed to get x cube, x square, x, then one more constant. Something else you are going to get. That part let us see. Now here 2, here it is minus 1. 2 and minus 1 how much? Minus 2. That is minus 2 plus 5, it is nothing but plus 3. 17x cube, 6x square minus 9x plus 3. 2 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3. So now we have just enumerated the entire part as 2 into this one and this whole cube with this part. So with that the sum is over. This is also simple sum, only this modification you do simple calc. Only thing you have to remember how many terms you are going to get. First you would think about these two, 2x and 3x square, x cube, and see this term also, x cube. Whatever comes, suppose if you get x power 4, so you are going to get nearly 5 terms. X power 6, you are going to get 7 terms. Now x power 3, you are getting 4 terms here. So after that, this is the final answer for the problem. Very simple. Only thing you should remember only these two formulas. Very important one, the algebraic formula and then UV. Once you know, these are all simple sum. It is not big one and all. Just I have explained only, not much in that. This is a very easiest sum among the sum which is given in the book. So you can do, even if you have better practice, you can do it even 2 or 3 minutes time, you can complete this sum.